Good afternoon, everyone. This is Amanda. So today I'm going to be making some blueberry lemon yogurt air fryer muffins. This is going to be a very quick batch. So we have so far a tablespoon and a half of butter, which has been set out at room temp, and 6 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to blend this for about 2 minutes. Here I'm going to whisk together 1 whole egg and 1 egg white and a teaspoon of vanilla. Here I've combined my egg, my vanilla. I've put a teaspoon in of fresh lemon and 1 lemon zest. I'm blending this for about 30 seconds. Now combining 5 ounces of non-fat Greek yogurt. Now combining 3/4 cups and 2 tablespoons of cake flour. So I'm going to mix this for about 30 seconds until it's well combined. You know, the reason why I love these muffins is because, one, I have all the ingredients all the time. I always have non-fat Greek yogurt because I flavor my own. And I always have cake flour because I make muffins all the time. And all the other ingredients, I just have vanilla, egg, lemons. I always have those. So, and they're delicious. Now folding in about 3/4 cups of blueberries, and I'm going to fill my muffin. Okay, so in my air fryer tray, I have put 6 muffin papers, and I lined them up with a little bit of olive oil, and I filled them up. Now I'm going to put them in the air fryer at 300 for about 14 minutes. And here they go. They're baking in my air fryer. Yummy lemon blueberry muffins. Here we go. Oh, yum, yum. Air fryer blueberry lemon muffins.